Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can craft and send emails using Microsoft Outlook. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Outlook, and what you want to do in your Outlook account is click on these 9 dots here in the top left to access the app launcher, and from this menu here simply select Outlook to gain access to your email inbox here under favorites. So guys, to start or to craft a new email, click on this button in the top left corner, create a new email message. After that, you will see that window popping up here to the right. So here next to you may enter the recipient's email address. Below, enter a subject or add a subject. Here to the right, you may add the CC or BCC, for instance. You may delete or move the given email draft to the trash folder. And after that, simply click into this text field here and start crafting and typing your email. And once that's done, guys, simply customize your email if that's your wish. For example, you may apply a custom font color, change the highlight color, use bold letters, italic letters. You may attach files, for instance, by clicking on the paperclip icon here, attach a file to this item, add a hyperlink, and so on. And so forth, guys. Once you're ready, simply click on send here to send the message to the given recipient. Or if you'd like to schedule it, click on that arrow down icon next to it, select schedule send and select a date. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.